Is that? I don't even know if that's recording.
Let's see if it's blinking.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's blinking.
I'll point it down a little bit.
Yeah.
It's so hard to get your bearings on it though, because it's like, is it going forward, backwards, what is it doing?
Oh, you just go. When you go up, here's with me. When I started, I used to go out a bit, turn, watch it myself, so I know where I'm at, and just use yourself, lose us here as you.
Yeah.
Your datum, you know what I mean? And just be circle. If you're flying over there, the sun's just going to be white out.
Yeah.
They could, yeah.
So,
that's it, Matt. You're on the roll.
oh my god.
There you go. How hard was that?
I can't believe how much I'm shaking.
I'm going to go up on your frequency now, Matt.
Yeah, sure, I'm turning off.
Good flight. That's nice, that Y6.
Cheers.
I have to take
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? It's a lot better than I...
change the channel.
It's turned out better than I hoped it would, actually.
Is that like a little LED on the front or something? You've got a little light for the night.
Oh
flight.
yeah, that is wicked. I'll show you later. Let's put that on. He's got one on his as well.
Yeah.
It's brighter than the sun, isn't it?
Yeah, I bet yours a lot better because you focused it.
But I don't know, it's only in a plastic thing, so. But if you can't look at it with your eyes, at least like spots
Yeah, it
on
does
the retina.
inside.
Oh, and it's still low voltage. It's
Yeah?
not going to run the battery down or anything.
Yeah, what the
light.
Don't know, apparently it does about 300 milliamps, doesn't it? You said?
Your light. Less than that.
Yeah.
Because I judged it with everything else on, but now I don't have everything.
How long was it flying for, do you reckon? When you're flying it, it seems
Have you
not
got
long,
GPS?
but was up for long?
I
was
do.
it?
No,
5
not that
minutes.
long. 5 minutes. You were flying a little bit before.
Right, I'm going up.
Yeah, but that's a fresh pack. I just put straight in from the first flight. I'll land it, put the GoPro on. Oh, the GoPro's still on, but turn that off then.
So is that little gimbal, is it self-leveling?